Retrofit installation is compatible with standard speaker installation without a backbox, as well as installations with BX, MBX, and MBA backboxes. For each location, use a stud finder to locate the framing and drill test holes to verify before cutting. The overlay sheets attached to the front of each speaker may be temporarily taped to the walls or ceiling to aid in planning speaker placement in the room. Center the edges of the overlay sheet on the framing, trace the perimeter, and then cut. Installing an invisible speaker into an existing wall is similar to making a wallboard patch. The finished opening should be 16 inches or 406 mm wide and centered on the framing studs. When possible, cross-member framing should be added above and below the speaker opening so that the speaker and surrounding wallboard may be secured on all four sides. Attach speaker wiring securely to the studs. For MBX and MBA installation, install the metal backbox at this time. For speakers with BX backbox, proceed to the next step. Adding installation is recommended for installations without a backbox.